Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create an interactive particle background using Particles.js. This background will include a repulse effect. The particles will move away from the cursor when we move the mouse. Let's get started. We have a simple structure for this animation. First, we need to add the CDN to use the Particles.js library. Then we create a section where the animation will appear. We add a div for the particle effect. Let's move on to JavaScript. We start by calling the Particles.js function and target this div. We'll use a ready-made template and customize some of its properties. I've also added the link in the description if you want to check it out. We set the number of particles to 210. We use 4 colors for the particles: pink, orange, purple, and yellow. We set the shape of the particles to polygon. Next, we set the opacity and size of the particles. The size changes randomly. We disable line linking between particles. We reduce the movement speed of the particles to keep the animation smooth and gentle. We set the out mode to bounce so the particles bounce when they touch the edges. Now we enable mouse interaction with the particles. The particles will move away from the cursor when hovering. We remove other features because we don't need them. We set the repulse distance to 130 pixels. Let's continue with the CSS. In this part, we'll improve the animation's appearance. The font family for the heading is adjusted to Nunito. The content is centered in the section. We set the background color to dark gray. The particles div covers the full width and height of the section. We make the text size responsive using the clamp function. Now the particles appear over the heading. I set it like this to highlight the repulse effect. But if you want, you can change the z-index to place the particles behind the heading. And there you have it. We've created an interactive particle background using Particles.js. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.